everyone. Welcome to our Sweet Home Life. It's MoeJoe and Glenda. We went to Tannehill on a camping trip for about a week, and we met so many wonderful people from Louisiana and Mississippi and Alabama. It was a pleasure meeting each one of you. Meeting you all made our trip so enjoyable. So come along and join us on this video at Tannehill. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hope you enjoy it.
Okay.
Do a shout out on.
We gotta do a shout out to Kirby LeBlanc and also to Red
Severio,
Livingston,
Louisiana.
I don't do good with French, guys. But anyway, I appreciate all our new subscribers. And this brother sitting beside me, he don't want to be on camera.
Okay.
We shout out to him, and we'll tell you his name later. All right.
MoeJoe's calling them up over there. That's his wildlife calling it. Guess what? It really does work. See, he's right there. And they're right down there. He called them up. So that's how you call wildlife, y'all. Did you find something to eat, buddy? Oh, here comes another one.
Hey, boys. How y'all doing, buddy? How y'all doing, little friend?
Aren't they pretty? Especially that one with the green head. Isn't he a beauty? Isn't he a beauty? There's our
Hey
MoeJoe
guys, we're out camping.
at Tannehill State Park. And there's Kitty. And look what one of our friends brought us that we have met. Rick from Louisiana. So we're going to try this crab bisque.
Looks delicious.
It does. And thank you, Rick, so much for sharing this with us. We're going to try it. Get you a spoonful, MoeJoe.
Okay, I think I'll try some. I was just wondering if we had anything like bread to eat, like crackers. I don't know.
Oh, we do have some crackers.
Have a cracker? Let me try it with a cracker.
Okay.
Let me try this cracker. We got a cracker. Everything works better on a cracker, doesn't it, guys? It's gonna be good. Look at these pieces. Oh, man. Rick showed us this thing earlier in a pack of crab meat, lump crab. Boy, that looks good, Rick. Let me taste that.
Took a bite, y'all.
Oh, that's good. That's delicious stuff. Thank you, Rick and Bridget, for making this delicious crab bisque. It is good.
Good, y'all.
Bridget, you and Rick did a wonderful job, and it's a pleasure to meet you. We're so glad to meet you.
Yes. Let me get me a bite. That is really, really good.
That's delicious.
Thank you, Rick, for bringing it by. We didn't get to tell him thank you. We didn't get to tell him thank you because we weren't here. He just left it for us, so we'll have to find out where he is and tell him thank you.
Rick, it's still good and hot while we're eating it.
It is.
And it is delicious, friend.
Thank you very much. Look what he's making. He's making some what?
Jambalaya.
Jambalaya. If you got his pork on, that's where he's starting with. A pork roast.
Pork roast, Boston butt. Then we're gonna take the oil out of it, the grease out of it. Add my sausage, a little bit of bacon. Cook it down a while. Then add my veggies. Then add my chicken. All that goes in.
Is your chicken raw with that when you
No. Mine, I cook it and bone it out. It's against the law to leave a bone and a piece of chicken,
Okay.
put it in jambalaya.
That's called steak.
Okay.
Steak, guys.
All righty, y'all. It's going to be good, I know.
All right, come back by. Well, sometime soon it'll be ready.
All
I hear
right.
that? We're gonna bring y'all with us. We wish you was here to taste it with us.
It's already smelling good, y'all.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it ain't bad as yet. Wait to get all
Oh,
them
my
onions and
goodness.
garlic and stuff like that in.
Oh my, I have to get in it for sure then.
Like I work fire.
Okay, what is this pot? What you cooking it in?
Just a cast iron pot.
A cast iron pot.
big
Old. It's over probably 100 years old.
100-year-old pot.
And it's got its gas hooked up there.
Big old burner in the bottom. He don't have him one of them wimpy burners under there either. He's got the real deal. Yeah.
All right. It'll be done later. We'll show it to you. Look at this stove, y'all. 2-burner. Camp chef. That's pretty cool. It's gas and got 2 big burners. And look at his Dutch oven there. He's ready to cook. Look at this oven he's got here. A grill. I'm sorry, a grill. That's pretty cool. Stainless steel grill. I bet that can cook some good food too. Okay, y'all. What's he got in there now? Got this pork.
Got pork, chicken, and sausage. That's all the meat put in it. And all the Holy Trinity. Onion, celery, bell pepper, all that stuff. It's done right now except for putting the rice in it. Now I'll cook it like this for about an hour and a half. Let all the seasoning get into it. All right, got it.
What kind of seasoning do you have?
Nothing but Tony seasoning.
Tony seasoning,
Tony
huh?
seasoning.
Let's see a picture of it.
And right here, we use this, this,
This is the spices, y'all.
this.
I guess you just you just use it to flavor according to your taste, huh? All right, we got some Creole, some garlic, cayenne pepper, and some browning seasoning sauce. Okay. All righty.
That's all I use right there.
And so now you got to add the rice.
Yeah.
We got white beans cooking over there too.
Yeah, now
Oh,
the
my.
white beans, you can't have jambalaya unless you have white beans.
Oh, I didn't know that. They go together?
Oh yeah. When
Oh.
you get your jambalaya, when you put that jambalaya on your plate,
See
you
them
put that
beans
white
there?
beans right on top of it.
Martha, show them beans.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see the beans. They got a big pot going on here. Oh, what are you having those?
Onion, celery, bell pepper, green onions, sausage, ham, bacon.
Oh, my. They're going to do some good eating, y'all.
So what is that?
Oh, look at that. That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all want y'all plate?
Yeah, we'll take a little bite. This is white beans.
Oh, man.
And they serve the jambalaya over the white beans. Don't that look good? And she's got sausage in there, is that right?
I got sausage, bacon, ham,
Hey guys,
onion, celery, bell pepper, green onions.
and we get to taste of it.
And
Let's taste it.
cook it all down and
Oh, and look at that
Cook
gravy.
it all down.
That looks, now that's a gravy. Look at that. You know what?
I just never have seen them cook down like that.
She got that thing under control, guys. You know how I am about beans. I love me some beans.
Well, we got plenty for y'all.
Ooh.
Take your bite.
Ooh, them are so good. They melt in your mouth. Now, I like me some beans, guys.
Okay, this has got the jambalaya on the white beans.
I can
Oh, this
cook
is
it.
jambalaya.
That red makes. I can cook it too, but I don't cook big pots like he does.
What do you think about it? Did you get a bite, MoeJoe?
I wanted our people to see this.
That's some good stuff.
Now, tell me again about this is Red's jambalaya.
Yep.
And your white beans.
Yeah, my white beans.
White beans. And I kind of mixed them up. But I wanted our guys to see this. And she cooks her. Tell me again about your recipe.
It's bacon,
Cook
Right.
it down, guys.
bacon, ham, and sausage. I cook that all down.
This is a good Polish type sausage or kielbasa or
No, it's
something.
just a Amanda smoked sausage.
In the casing.
And
Casing, guys, in the casing.
I got onions, celery, bell pepper,
Got it all cooked
green
down.
onions. Cook it all down. Put my beans in there. Put some water on them. I put Tony's.
Tony's.
Black
Cajun
pepper,
sauce.
red pepper,
red sauce.
and
Do you
just,
put Zatarans and some? Do you put any hot sauce in it?
Mm-mm.
So guys, let's give it a taste. Let's go in. That's some good stuff.
It really is good.
No, thank you.
So you sausages and stuff. That looks good. Now that right there is from folks from Louisiana who know the food. Alabamians are not Louisianans. we do country cooking and southern cooking, but this is Louisiana cooking, guys.
And it's good.
I'll have to try this. Maybe one day I'll get close. What kind of? Tell me about your rice. Long grain rice.
Mahatma long grain rice.
Mahatma rice, guys. The long grain. That's an old standard my mom used to
That's
use.
all we use.
There's
Mahatma.
bread.
Yeah. Well, thank you for watching Our Sweet Home Life, and we'll see you next time on our next adventure. Thank you, Red.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You
We appreciate it. It's
Hope
good,
you enjoy
y'all.
it, guys. Try it. You'll like it.
Mm-hmm.